Good morning. Welcome to TO Trade Sunday session, Sunday, August 13th. Looking at Forex Factory. Little bit of a weaker week. We got some GBP unemployment numbers, Canadian CPI, not really interested in that. Empire Index, not super interested in that unless it's a big mix. Retail sales sometimes can be fun. Little NZD if you're into NZD. GBP CPI Wednesday London. That could be a lot of fun. And then Thursday US unemployment. That's probably going to be the only real kicker that we got. Unemployment. Looking at see what the Fed's going to do. Jerome Powell. They're probably going to do one more, quarter point, September 20th, and then, maybe stop. We'll see. Unemployment crept up a little bit. It's hard. You get these spikes of 1 month data. I don't know. Sometimes that can be a little hard, but kind of a weaker news week. And then you get a little London retail sales for GBP. A little bit of a quieter week. Going to GU, we're gonna go a high time frame again. I guess we'll keep it like this. Look at that last month. Really looks like a nice reversal pin bar, cleaning up these March 20th, April of 22 lows. We had a big kind of imbalance there, especially on some of the lower time frames. Looks like we got a nice drop. I think, coming down into this region, this 124, 122 region. Very bearish so far on the month, about halfway through the month. Looking through the weekly here, I do have the MACD up. I'll hide it now, but this weekly cross on the MACD, if you look, you'd have to go all the way back to March of 21. Last time we got, kind of a similar weekly cross, and you had a run down, flush up, just quick little liquidity grab, high break, and then just a dump, 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 dump. This is a weekly dump, 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 dump. So I'll scrunch down the MACD for now, but I do think it's interesting to look at that we do have a nice line cross here printed. Looking at the weekly, if we want to draw a couple boxes, couple lines, we'll get a nice line here at this 1308. Not that I think we're going to get back up to there, but put these on the big four, crunch somewhere in there, the big four, crunch somewhere in. We'll get a drop there, and might as well get a nice crunch there. So that's on the weekly. We'll drop a daily here. So you can see on the daily we're kind of stuck in this range. Before we came up, came down, we broke, and now we tapped up, broke down, kind of came back up. I don't know if this is enough for the dump here or if we're going to get a little more chop, especially with not much news. And then you are going to have that, Labor Day kind of week in there. No more Fed rates. There is FOMC minutes. I don't know if we even went over that. Or was I looking at the week after? Yeah, it must be the week after. I thought I saw something about FOMC minutes, but that must be the week after. But it's not the Fed rate. That's September 20th. So we came down and tapped into this 163. The low is actually here 1262. Bounced back, came up, but very bearish, very bearish, very bearish. Big liquidity grab, bearish. Technically it's a green candle, but look at the top wick there on the low break. 126693, 6660. That's bearish. I think from here, looking at the daily, definitely would probably want to be. They keep moving these arrows. Anyone else is driving anybody nuts with TradingView? The TradingView keeps moving the arrows. They were up here and down here, and now they're here. It's like I can't keep up. I don't think we need another grab up. I think we can look at a 4 hour. If you look here, I don't know if this 1275 is maybe a little resistance point to come back up, but I think we're really about ready. We'll probably get a grab down, let's say here, come back up, and then the dump. 1, 2, 3, 5. I mean, I think that's gonna be your biggest point. Is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, whatever. Let's go down to a 4 hour. Looking at a 4. Do we got a nice spot? 1, 2, 5, 250. I don't know. Let's get a square out on here. Maybe if we picked, something in here. Something in here, drag that over. Lines up with our arrows. Nice. So this is 1, 2, 5. Yeah. I'm going to go with that for our bigger points here. Let's clean this up a little bit. Throw some numbers down. 1, 2, 8, 250. Go to 20. 1, 2, 8, 250. That's what we're looking at here. I'll even go GBP/USD 4 hour. Get that screenshot later. 4 hour GU 126,333. I'll even go just for 333. Pop that down. And then the box is gonna be we'll go 1, 2, 5, 5. 1, 2, 5, 5 on the box. What's in the box? Maybe I might pop that to it just so we know it's the box. And then it looks like we got a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. That's where I'm at with GU. I'm thinking we can get a flush down. We flushed down here and popped up. Whatever happens there, but I think we can get a nice flush back down. 1, 2, 5, 50. Probably bounce back up to 1, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, and then I think 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 is coming around the corner. Gold will do the same. I mean, I guess this is our analysis yesterday. A little chop and kind of broke, came back, chop, 1900. I mean, that's zero. I guess I don't even know if we got to make any new lines on gold because I think if you had to come back up, I guess where would your come back up be? I think on a daily, we're looking at, you can see, yeah, let's make something here. This is 1925. Yeah. I'm going to say 1925 would be the spot here for getting a little bit of a flush back. Let's go back to the 4. If we had to get a little bit of a flush back, I'm going to say 1925, and then I think we're totally in the runs for 1900, and then I mean from there we're gonna have a lot of levels. But I think it's gonna be hard to really flush out. I mean, we got 1896, we got 1902. I guess 1860 is what I'm looking at for the next one from back, March, February of the year. But gold, I'd watch out for a flush back up to 1925, and I think you can size in on a drop to 1900. US 500. What's in the box? We broke the box to the downside. 4400's coming again. I don't know if we even got to change these levels. This, we could put a nice little box here. It looks like it kind of respected this 4450, I guess, is kind of a box. I don't know. We'll just rough something up there, but this 4450 is to keep that in mind. 4450, a little bit of a box there. I got 4500 right up here, which I don't know. Are we going to see it again this year? Are we going to see it again ever? I don't know. 4500, 4450, 4400. And then I got a 43.3, we'll kind of see, play that by ear again. I don't know how much volume is going to be in this week, and then I don't know how much volume is going to be in even the next week. Oil going up helps. I don't know if we want to take a look at some WTI crude. WTI crude popped up to 84, came back down. We got 85 there, and we also got a 90s up here. Do you get the push? I mean, that's a pretty good push. What did we do? Let's look at it weekly actually and see. I think oil, I think you're a lot better looking at the bigger, unless you're gonna scalp a 15-second futures. I think you're a lot better looking at some big time frame. Yeah. Ooh. Look at that week on oil. Look at that candle. Do we see a break? Do we see a drop? I mean, it's still, if you want to count it, it's still higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. I mean, are we losing a little momentum? Yeah. Are we still going up? Yeah. If you had to take, what was this week? This week was call it $4.70. So if you had to go up another $4.70, oh boy, that gets you to 89.2, 89.1, 89.2. Yeah, it's close. I mean, I might not hit 90 this week. Could you hit 90 by September? Yeah, probably. Um, if you look at this bigger candle here, what do we get here? We got about $4 there. I guess, I mean, that was a kind of a ripper, just over $4. $4 on the week from the open. 80, I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see. I think this 93 could be a stronger level if you really look. 990 has that psych number, but 93 might be the stronger level to hit. Or if you flush up this 84,518, 84. So you still would have to flush up this April. This was this big gap, island verse or whatever you want to call it. But this was this big gap that we broke. We got just the smallest bounce and then that big drop. Consolidation, run, 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 run. Maybe we'll have to take a breather. Maybe we'll have to come back and bounce. If we're going to bounce, I think this 76 from this gap area would be a nice bounce. So it'd be looking like kind of coming back down to here. Maybe a bounce, maybe drop and then a run. I don't know. What does that give us? I mean, that's getting in October. Who knows? But don't spend less, just earn more.